इंट्रोडक्शन दिया मैंने, उससे क्या समझ आया? सुना सही से नहीं सुना? तो क्या समझ आया उसको? उसके अलावा वो सब छोड़ो, उसके अलावा क्या बताया? प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन। तो तुम लोग ये फील करते हो कि नहीं प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन होनी चाहिए या नहीं? नॉलेज सिर्फ पढ़ने के लिए पढ़ रहे हो या फिर उसको यूज भी करना सीखना है? यूज करना है कि नहीं? So are we ready to learn something today? Are we ready to learn something today? Yes. So मेरा मेन फोकस यही रहता है so that students can utilize their studies and put their knowledge into practical world and start making money out of it. Okay. Now let's get on to markets. Stock markets में how do I invest in the markets? If I am having any company which has no debt, constant growth and ethical management, I'll invest my money. आराम से। तुम किसी फ्रेंड को पैसे देते हो? क्यों देते हो? किस भरोसे से देते हो?
क्योंकि वो वापस कर देता है।
हाँ?
क्योंकि वो हमारी हेल्प करता है।
Return on time? That will I be able to get my money back or not? Okay. So that is how you find companies. There are many companies. The companies keep on doing marketing and everything, and there are many companies which come in front of you. For example, the company which is taking money out of your pocket again and again, that is the company you like to invest in. Okay. What are these kinds of companies? Can you name some? ITC,
TCS,
Apple,
TCS,
Apple, Facebook.
like Indian company. Abhi we are not going outside.
TCS to some extent.
It's not
Tata,
taking money out of the pocket, is it?
Yes, it was.
How come?
Reliance.
How come is it taking money out of the pocket? What are you buying from TCS? Are you
When
buying?
I'm investing
Tata,
those shares,
Maruti. ये
No,
सब
no, you are not investing. You are buying products. I'm saying. Please don't get confused. If you are buying some products, then Reliance. What are you buying from Reliance? Mobile. Okay, mobile. Yeah. Some more things. Flipkart, but it's a private company. Unfortunately, वो सारा profit अपना खुद ही लेता है, खुद ही खाता है, हमको नहीं देना चाहता. So, yeah, logistics, yeah, e-card. But other than that, Gillette, how many people use it? Shavers, Colgate, you use it or not? These are the companies which are taking money out of our pocket every month. So we are continuously increasing their share. Nestle, though it has been down right now because of Maggi, but it's an excellent point to invest in the stock. I'm not advising here to purchase the stocks, but it is very, if you see a good company which has all these things in them, debt, it does not have debt, sorry, no debt, constant growth and a very good management, you will make money. So I need a person, मेरे को एक दोस्त चाहिए जिस पे मैं पैसा लगा सकूं, पैसा दे सकूं, जो मेरा पैसा बढ़ाते रहेगा, पैसा लेके भागेगा नहीं और जो बैंकक्रप्ट नहीं हो सकता. That is how we pick up companies. So how many people here can look debt in a balance sheet? How many people can look up debt in a balance sheet? How many? सबके हाथ खड़े हो जाने चाहिए. Long term debts बस देखना है कितना है, देख सकते हो नहीं? So write it down. How to identify a company? Long term debt नहीं होना चाहिए और negligible होना चाहिए.
Is there any company which does not have debts?
Pardon?
Is there any company which does not have long-term debts?
There are a number of companies. Relaxo does not have any debt. Laopela, ma'am, आपने सुना है Laopela का नाम किसी ने? User में Laopela, it's into crockery and it's a wonderful stock. It's a wonderful stock. I purchased the stock first at 120 rupees. Currently it is at 550 rupees and it is the best company known to me. This company will continuously grow multi-fold. Fortunately, to keep on buying products, our share price keeps on going up. That is very important. Yes.
सर किसी कंपनी के पास जाएगी नहीं तो ग्रोथ कैसे करेगी? कई कंपनी फाइनेंस करती है.
नहीं, मेरे को फाइनेंस चाहिए नहीं, मेरा खुद का पैसा है, ओनर्स मनी.
बट सर कई तो होते जो बाहर में पैसा पहले बोरो करते हैं देन इन्वेस्ट.
तो मैं उस कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट ही नहीं करूंगा. मार्केट में 1700 2000 कंपनियां हैं, मैं ऐसी कंपनी उठाऊंगा ही. और कोई पॉइंट? There are so many companies. Yes.
what about the fluctuations in growth in future?
What
It can't be a constant growth for a company, right?
No, why not? There are many companies which have been increasing continuously.
Not necessary. Share markets are always up and down.
Share markets is a different thing. Profits are different things. Share markets is the valuation. Share markets is driven by psychology. It is driven by psychology. A small example for this. स्टॉक का प्राइस चल रहा है 1000 रुपए, ठीक है, 1000 रुपए, 1000 से it has come down to 800. Should I buy it? No.
Yes, you should.
If I see growth, then
You should, because this is the time people will start selling, because they will see that it's going down and then you buy it.
And then it will increase probably.
okay, नीचे आ गया.
Depends on this
It
market.
comes down to 500 rupees. Should I buy it?
ऐसा भी तो होता है।
Daily हो जाए, हाँ हो सकता है.
Speculate तो कर ही सकते.
Speculation is always there, but it is from 500. It let's say goes up to 700. Now should I buy?
Yes. Yes.
It came down to 800, 500. Now it's 700.
Yes.
700
You
is
should.
now.
Yes. Yes.
How many people say yes? Now, if you then you bought it at 700. Now it increases to 900. Do you want to sell it?
No.
Do you want to buy more? Now it increases to 1300. So how many people? The number. Approximately only 10% people bought the stock and they made money on the stock. Because if the company is fundamentally strong, no matter how below the stock price goes, eventually it will roll up. Okay, this is what is happening in Nestle also. Stock price was 6500, it went down to 5700, and now it's again 6500. It went up to 6800 in within 20 days. This all happened within 20-25 days. Okay, so markets are driven by psychology. Stock prices and the profits are driven by the mehnat which the company is doing, the hard work which the company is putting in. Okay. कितने लोग यहाँ से जॉब्स में जाना चाहते हैं और कितने लोग अपना बिजनेस इवेंचुअली सेटअप करना चाहते हैं? Hands up. 1%. People who want to go into jobs. Why jobs?
No risk, fixed salary.
It is safer. Safer. So there is, and the rest everybody wants to go into business. Yes.
Job से experience job will give us practical picture of what's actually happening. Experience of what we actually set up our business.
Yeah, you can do that. And it is very advisable, do you know that? It is very advisable to change jobs if you want to be a successful businessman. It is very advisable that you change jobs and get into different professions. First, let's say I graduated in finance. I took up a finance job. After that, I go into sales and marketing, which is not very good. My parents won't like it. But I go into sales and marketing. Other than that, I go into more things like, let's say, manufacturing also. So that, let's say if I want to be an excellent entrepreneur, I need to master all the trades or know all the trades. If not master, if I am mastering only one trade and eventually that industry does not have a good future or it shuts down, then eventually I am of no use. For example, जितनी भी चीजें obsolete हुई हैं, for example, tapes, CDs we are not using. There was this person who mastered in making best quality tapes and I'm talking about that tape, okay? Yeah, cassettes, yeah. Tapes and CDs. Now the person who had mastered in making CDs now is of no use to the industry. So it is very important you take a good exposure to all the industries and specialize in one. But you should know all in order to be a good businessman. And a very interesting fact. If you put jobs and business in two columns, if you take up a job, you earn money, you pay taxes and then you spend. Is that true or not? Yes. If you take up a business, you earn money, you spend everything, and after that you pay taxes. Does that make a difference?
Yes, sir.
Now let's do it with a practical example. I earn 100 rupees in a job, I pay 20% or 30% whatever in tax, I get 70 rupees and I spend that money. Okay? In a business, I earn 100 rupees, I spend 80. After that only 20 is left And when 20 is left, I pay 30% tax on that. How much tax am I paying in this? 6 rupees. There it was 30, here it is 6. So it is advisable, but it is very tough to do that. That if you want to go into a business, what you can do is you can utilize yourself better by your brains. How come you set up your own company and work for another company as a consultant? Are you understanding? Work for another company as a consultant and not directly as a job. Let's say मेरे को कहीं पर जॉब करनी है. मैं जिस कंपनी में जॉब कर रहा था पहले, मेरे को वहाँ जॉब करनी है. उनने ही मेरा एम्प्लॉयर ने मेरे को आइडिया दिया, तुम एक काम करो, कंपनी बना लो और फिर जॉब करो. उस कंपनी में अपने जॉब अपना एक्सपेंस डाल देना, अर्निंग्स डाल देना, कंसल्टेशन एक्सपेंसेस. उसके बाद जितना खर्चा करना है, जो खरीदना है खरीदो, जो शॉपिंग करनी है, लुई वुइटन, गुच्ची, ये वो जो खरीदना है खरीदो. आफ्टर दैट यू show your income and pay taxes. This is a very smart move which the business owner do, which the job people mainly don't, they don't understand or think about it. Okay? So is this good or not? So now how many people want to do business? Everybody?
After experience of the job.
After experience of job, yes, you can do that. No problem. Because jobs will give you a lot of experience. Jobs तुमको एक चीज में बहुत अच्छा सिखाएंगे. जॉब वाला भी तुमको बहुत बिगड़ेगा कि काम करो and will pay you less and you will work because of job security. But you will work more passionately if you are
Working for yourself.
working to become an entrepreneur. Okay? From this, let's go to the sheet again. Debt, no debt. Firstly, long-term debts should not be there or they should be covered up. These are the ways how you can find out companies, how they should be covered up. समझ आ गया? Asset से या revenue से या किसी चीज से covered up होने चाहिए. ये मैं वो बता रहा हूँ. I am telling you my thinking. How do I pick up a company? When I open money control and see its balance sheet, profit and loss, and cash flows. It's very simple. No debt. Okay. Profit should be approximately 20%. Net profit should be approximately 20% of the revenues. Okay. Second point done. Third point. Assets should be leased. The assets of company should be leased. So the company will have to pay less depreciation and so it will make more profits. So company के अगर assets मेरे पास कम है तो फिर मैं ज़्यादा profits कमा सकता हूँ. और plus what happens if you have heavy invest, then your capital expenditure will increase. Okay? If I have a machine which depreciates or which is worn out in let's say 3 years, then I'll have to buy that machine again after 3 years. Okay? So I'll have to reinvest my money. And shareholders don't like companies reinvesting their money to give their profit. तो shareholder का होता है. Shareholders don't like that their money gets invested in the markets. In the capital expenditure or assets. Okay? So less assets. Okay? कम assets में जो ज़्यादा company पैसा कमा सकती है, we need that company. Okay? After assets, we go on to the earning per share of the company and the PE, price to earning ratio. पता है सबको? PE क्या होता है पता है? FD में कितना रिटर्न मिलता है? 8%. PE हमको ये बताता है कि हमको एक स्टॉक कितना रिटर्न दे सकता है. वो कैसे बताता है? Let's say if I have a stock which is trading at a PE of let's say 20. PE का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है पता है? Price divided by earnings per share. If I am earning 10 rupees on a price of 100 rupees, what is my percentage return?
10%.
10%. Okay. So if it is 10%. And if I divide both these things, 100 divided by 10, I get a PE of 10 rupees. 10, PE of 10, it's not in rupees, it's in numbers. PE of 10, so you need to look at the PE of the stocks. If a stock has a PE of 10, should I invest? How much return am I getting?
10%.
FD में रिटर्न मिलता है 8%. Okay? 100 रुपये लगाए 8% का रिटर्न मिलेगा. And you learn 8 rupees. PE tells you how much percentage you are returning. P को अगर उल्टा कर दें, it is called earnings yield. We need to calculate earnings yield. Please write down. Earnings yield is very important. Earnings yield is calculated by 1 divided by PE. मतलब कि मैं पैसा अगर अपना पैसा लगा रहा हूँ तो how much percentage return that stock is giving me. Let's say I have a stock which has a PE of 25. Should I invest in the company?
Yes.
Should I invest in the company?
Yes.
No.
25%.
I have a stock which has a PE of 25. Should I invest in that company? PE 25 का है, FD में 8% रिटर्न मिल रहा है. Earnings yield कितनी है मेरी? Earnings yield is 1 divided by 25 into 100. How much am I getting?
4.
Should I invest? FD में लगा देता हूँ इससे अच्छा तो. I'll make more money there. So it is very important to see the PE. If a PE is 20 or if it is less than 12.5, क्योंकि 12.5 1 divided by 12.5 into 100 gives me 8% return. मतलब FD जितना रिटर्न. ओके, अगर किसी का भी PE 12 से कम है तो मैं बिल्कुल इन्वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ. हाँ कि नहीं? क्यों? क्योंकि I am getting returns more than 8%. And if I am holding that stock for more than 1 year, then I don't have to pay any tax. There is no tax on stocks because people will be contributing to the growth of the country. अगर मैं stocks में invest करता हूँ तो मैं कंपनीज को इन्वेस्ट और ग्रोथ करने में हेल्प करता हूँ. कैसे हेल्प करता हूँ बताओ? I'm giving them the capital. I'm giving them the capital to invest elsewhere in land, property, business and make money. ये सारी चीजें जितनी मैंने लिखाई है तुमको बता दी. बस इसको यूज करना है जिससे कि you can understand how to utilize all these your studies in the financial markets.
Series 7 examination में तो हमारे पास ऐसा Wall Street, American Psychos. I will Gucci, I will Louis Vuitton. When you will Gucci, I will Louis Vuitton.
But that debt should be covered.
I forgot you for 3.
You should not have debt. All your debt should be covered. It should be covered by a debt. Yeah, it should be. Yeah, it should be in from your debt. So that is very important that you guys can easily pick out companies and definitely I am going to reward you for this. You pick out companies, you tell me companies, I am going to reward you. I'll tell you how. So investments, next point. मैं तुमको ये सिखा रहा हूँ कि तुमको अपनी पढ़ाई कैसे यूज करनी है. ये सिखा रहा हूँ पढ़ाई कैसे यूज करनी है. फटाफट समझ जाओगे कैसे यूज करनी है. ये चीजें सिर्फ बैलेंस शीट से देखनी है. अगर कहीं किसी प्रोफेशनल कंपनी की ना देखो देन यू कैन गो आउट ओपन अप योर बुक्स एंड सी देयर इटसेल्फ कि डेट कितना है, नेट प्रॉफिट कितना है और चीजें कितनी है. नेक्स्ट थिंग सेल्स टर्नओवर. सेल्स टर्नओवर का नेट प्रॉफिट शुड बी 20%. And my raw material should be 50% of sales turnover. Approximately 50%, plus minus 10%.
50% of the turnover.
Turnover, yeah. मतलब कि अगर मेरे को एप्पल का लैपटॉप खरीदना है 60,000 रुपये का जो बिकता है मार्केट में, तो उसकी कॉस्ट रॉ मटेरियल की शुड बी 30,000 और लेस.
Okay.
60,000 का है.
Yes, sir. बोले should be 50% है. आगे apartment is waiting for us.
Do remind me about that. Okay.
I haven't.
I'll tell you one more thing about it.
5th and
So, what points have I already told?
raw materials 50%.
Raw material, okay. After this, depreciation नहीं होना चाहिए, debt नहीं होना चाहिए.
Depreciation
Book
कैसे?
value of the company. Book value निकालनी है depreciation.
Look, Uber and Ola
आगे
have
book
gone
value
very
निकालो.
depreciation because they
सीखिए
have
book value
a
निकालो. Book value निकालो. ठीक है. यार मेरे को ऐसे फटा फॉर्मूला नहीं पता, लेकिन एक्चुअली बुक वैल्यू तो नंबर में मिलती है हमें. बुक वैल्यू इज हाउ मच पर शेयर you will get if the company dissolves, अपने assets और ये वो सब बेच दे, तो how much the company will get, the shareholder will get. Who is the shareholder? अगर मैं shareholder हूँ, shareholder is the owner of the company. Everybody knows that, ठीक है? इसीलिए when I am the shareholder of any company, हर 3 महीने में जो CEO है कंपनी का, वो मेरे को रिजल्ट बताता है, रिपोर्टिंग करता है. He tells me हर 3 महीने के बाद कि सर ये रिजल्ट आया, क्योंकि we are the shareholder, because we are the owners of the company. Okay? Let's move on to next thing. Book value हमारी स्टॉक से ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए तब खरीदोगे या कम होनी चाहिए तब खरीदोगे? बुक वैल्यू अगर मेरी 100 है और स्टॉक 50 है, should I purchase the stock? Should I purchase the stock?
Book value क्या है?
Should I purchase the stock? Yeah, obviously I should, because there is a lot of potential. What I'll do is I'll purchase the whole company. I'll try to purchase the whole company itself. अगर यार ये कॉलेज मेरे को 100 करोड़ का मिल रहा है, 100 करोड़ की इसकी वैल्यू है और 50 करोड़ में एक प्रॉपर्टी डीलर मेरे को दे रहा है, खरीदूंगा नहीं मैं? खरीदूंगा और बेच दूंगा 50 करोड़ जेब में. That is what is book value. If you are getting stocks below the book value, then you can definitely purchase the stocks. लेकिन these are all subjective things. हल्का सा रिसर्च चाहिए होता है, इतनी जल्दी तो मैं एनालिसिस नहीं कर सकता. हल्की सी रिसर्च और you need to understand it a little more, then definitely you can purchase stocks. But on these parameters, if you find out companies and give those companies sleep, then definitely you will be one step closer to becoming a good analyst. So सबसे नीचे आता है people who have jobs. After that self-employed. After that business owners. क्यों business owners ऊपर आते हैं? क्योंकि they can manage their taxes better. Like I gave that example of 100 rupees and 6 का tax and 30 का tax. Business owners के ऊपर आते हैं जो business owners बहुत पैसा कमा लेते हैं. They become investors. Do they or do they not?
Yes.
When you are earning a lot of money, then you need to manage that money and you need to invest that money. Then business owners के ऊपर आते हैं investors. Investors के ऊपर आता है जो advise करता है investor को कहाँ पैसा लगाना. You are going to become that when you understand your financial markets properly, and it is very simple. It is very simple, and it is very interesting for all those people who are in jobs. They have a lot of time, 9 to 5. If they are getting bored, they can easily boost up themselves by investing in the markets. वो थ्रिल मिलता है मार्केट से, मजे भी आते हैं, लेकिन I do not advise gambling और सट्टे मारना, ट्रेडिंग करना, not at all. Go, if you are investing or trading in the markets, you should be able to speak properly. अगर किसी से लड़ाई कर लेते हो तो तुमसे बहुत ताकतवर है, तो eventually रात को नींद नहीं आती है कि भाई कल जाके पिटना. वही होता है. इसलिए if you know that you will be losing money and you can lose a lot of money, then you cannot have a sound sleep, and that is very important. So your risk, you should know your risk very very nicely, and you should define your risk very properly. तो या तो मेरे को लॉस होगा 5,000 का या फिर 30,000 का प्रॉफिट होगा. ओके, what have we written? Book value, last book value. How many points are there? 7 points. After this, we can go out to the cash flow and see the net cash generated by the company. Net cash from operating assets, operating activities, yeah. Operating activities. So, अगर मेरी कंपनी operating activities में it is making good money, मतलब the company is actually working. And the employees of the company are working for the company to grow, and I will focus that if a company has a good good inflow from operating activities. Operating activity लिखते हैं कितना कैश मेरे को ऑपरेशन से आ रहा है, मतलब मैं जो काम करता हूँ, लेट्स से मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में हूँ, मैन्युफैक्चर करके बेचता हूँ, तो कितना कमा रहा हूँ. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, अदर इनकम्स. अदर इनकम्स मीन्स कि मैंने अपनी कंपनी का पैसा कहीं और इन्वेस्ट कर दिया. If I invest my company's money somewhere else to to make more returns for my shareholders or myself, कहाँ पे लगा सकता हूँ मैं पैसा एक्स्ट्रा जो मेरे पास पड़ा है? Give me examples. कहाँ पे लगा सकता हूँ? 100 करोड़ है मेरे पास, कहाँ लगाऊँ? कहाँ पर? डिबेंचर और शेयर मार्केट और real estate, other sectors, anywhere. I can invest anywhere to whatever I'm earning from other activities. The things which I do other than my business will tell me how effectively my company is running and how good the CFO of the company is, Chief Financial Officer is, कि वो कहाँ कितनी तेज पैसा बढ़ा सकता है. And at the end of the line, business में सिर्फ यही है कौन कितनी तेज पैसा बढ़ाता है, कितनी तेज बढ़ाता है, कितनी तेज आगे चलता है कि नहीं. हम लोग यही सोचते हैं कि उस कंपनी के इतने प्रॉफिट्स हो गए, वो बंदा इतना अमीर है, ये है वो है. इवेंचुअली दैट इट बॉइल्स डाउन टू दिस ओनली, व्हाट इज योर बॉटम लाइन. तो बॉटम लाइन हमने कितनी बोली थी, कितनी होनी चाहिए? बॉटम लाइन मीन्स नेट प्रॉफिट. These all things are for the manufacturing industry. बड़ा उसके ऊपर लिख लो that this is for the manufacturing industry. If you find out any company with these parameters, you will come to me, tell me, and you will take a reward for that, a cash reward for that, just by the name of the company. If it fits in all these parameters, you can come to me, tell me, and take a cash reward of that. Contact me to the You can definitely, तो मेरे को सिर्फ कंपनी का नाम बताओ, I'll see whether these companies, these parameters are apt or not, and you can definitely earn money. तो मैंने एक रास्ता खोल दिया पैसे कमाने का, आगे नहीं, सिंपल और पढ़ाई से, ये काम की चीजें हैं, काम की चीजें हैं कि नहीं, पढ़ी है कि नहीं, ओके. Other than that, market capitalization is one more thing, and how many people know what is market capitalization? पता है? I don't think किसी को पता होगा, because they don't teach market capitalization. Market capitalization is nothing but if I want to buy the whole company by buying its shares, how much money do I have to invest in the company? Okay, so let's say I have 1,000 shares in the markets and the stock price is 50 rupees. So 50 into 1,000, by 50,000 I can buy the whole company. So the market capitalization should be less than 500 crores. Okay, the market capitalization should be less than 500 crores. My main motive here is to just teach you how to use your studies so that you can start making money out of that. Just do it, just don't do it for doing sake. क्योंकि देखो पढ़ना तो है ही, 3 साल या 4 साल 2 साल whatever पढ़ना तो है, क्यों ना उसको यूज करना. बेटर ऑप्शन है कि नहीं, स्टार्टिंग टू यूटिलाइज व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. इट इज नो पॉइंट, देखो पढ़ना तो है, कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते, कॉलेज में एडमिशन डिग्री भी लेनी है, तो स्टार्ट यूजिंग इट. तो मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन इतनी कितनी होनी चाहिए? लेस देन 500 करोड़. कितने पॉइंट्स हो गए अब हमारे? 10 पॉइंट्स हो गए. कैन समवन एनीवन रिपीट इट? एनीवन? कवर्ड अप, yeah. 20% of the net profit. Low depreciation, okay. P ratio and yes. पैरामीटर्स है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री से. ओके, इसको अब हल्का सा शिफ्ट आउट करते हैं. नाउ हाउ कैन यू कॉन्टैक्ट मी? फिल लाइफ इज माय फेसबुक पेज. वहाँ पर छोटी वीडियोस हैं जिसमें यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड पीई बेटर, क्योंकि पीई और ईपीएस तुम और अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड करोगे इफ यू सी दैट. प्लस if you want to see all these things practically, so I have a small video screen record करके I made a video जिसमें I tell you how you can see all these things and the stock price. My Facebook page is FinLife. FinLife से you can see the stocks and how to see the stocks, how to see all these things in a practical company, in a live company जिसका share trade होता है, okay? And invest करके how you can make money. इसके अलावा किन्हीं चीज़ों को और मटीरियलाइज कर शॉर्ट टर्म लॉन्ग टर्म प्रॉफिट्स कमाने के लिए आई हैव अ स्मॉल कोर्स विच टीचेज यू ऑल दीज थिंग्स प्लस इट टीचेज यू एक्सेल. कितनों को पता है यहाँ पर एक्सेल आता है? जिसको पता तो सबको ही है, आता किसको? उसको और अच्छा करो दैट बिकॉज इट इज अ एक्सीलेंट टूल, लेकिन इट शुड नॉट बी समथिंग जो तुम यूज ना कर पाओ. कितने लोग हैं यहाँ पर जिनने गिटार या फिर कुछ भी चीज़ सीखी है बचपन में 1-2 महीने और अब नहीं आती? बहुत सारे हैं. लेकिन क्यों? क्योंकि वो तुम प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते. एक्सेल तुम अगर कहीं से कोर्स करोगे तुम प्रैक्टिस कहीं नहीं करोगे और सारे एक्सेल भूल जाओगे. जितना एक्सेल भूल जाओगे 15-20 हज़ार रुपये दोगे एक्सेल सीखने के, लेकिन इवेंचुअली यू विल नो नथिंग क्योंकि यू विल फॉरगेट इट बिकॉज इट इज नॉट लिंक्ड टू द फाइनेंशियल मार्केट, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो हाउ टू यूज इट. सो एक्सेल को इफ यू वांट टू लर्न प्रॉपर्ली, एक्सेल को सीखो और यूज़ करो. फाइनेंशियल मार्केट्स में बहुत आसानी से यूज़ होता है और बहुत मज़ा आता है. बहुत मैसिव टूल है, इतना मैसिव टूल है कि एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल दैट मैं एक्सेल खोलता हूँ और एक्सेल खोलकर एक बटन दबाता हूँ रिफ्रेश का, सारी न्यूज़ अलग अलग न्यूज़पेपर्स से इंटरनेट से उस एक्सेल पे आ जाती है. बिजनेस टाइम्स, स्टैंडर्ड, इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स, सबसे इंटरनेट से लिंक्ड है मेरा एक्सेल. सारी न्यूज़ एक एक्सेल पे आ जाती है. मैं कॉपी करता हूँ, पेस्ट करता हूँ, व्हाट्सएप पे भेज देता हूँ. 10 अखबार की न्यूज़ एक साथ आ जाती है. मेरे को मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती हर जगह जाने. दिस इज व्हाट इज एक्सेल. तो जो सीख लेगा वो बहुत यूजफुल है अगर कोई फाइनेंस में जाने चाहता है तो. और इवेंचुअली तुम सब सीखोगे स्टॉक मार्केट. अभी नहीं तो जिंदगी सिखाएगी स्टॉक मार्केट, क्योंकि सबने घर पे सुना है प्रॉपर्टी मार्केट डाउन है. सुना है कि नहीं सुना है? प्रॉपर्टी मार्केट में दिक्कत है और आगे यही चीज़ बढ़ने वाली है. प्रॉपर्टी मार्केट भी यही ऐसे ही बढ़ेगी. जब स्टॉक मार्केट्स में पैसा आएगा वो इवेंचुअली प्रॉपर्टी में जाएगी और फिर प्रॉपर्टी में. सबने सुना है. और गोल्ड भी डाउन है और गोल्ड की क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है सबको पता है, गिरेगा. तो तुम भी एनालिस्ट बन गए, गोल्ड को अभी बेच दो, बाद में खरीद लेना. सबको पता है ये सारी चीजें. इवेंचुअली स्टॉक मार्केट इज द ओनली प्लेस which you will is the only place where you can make a lot of money and you can definitely own Lamborghinis and Ferraris within 10 years if you are really getting onto it. मेरा भी टारगेट है within 10 years to own 2 Lamborghinis. तुमसे बड़ा हूँ ना मैं, तो बड़ा टारगेट है ना. I need to own 2 Lamborghinis. और अगर वो भी कम पड़ता है तो उसके साथ एक इंडिया में तो जगह नहीं चलानी, बाहर एक घर भी. And definitely I can do it. I know that. I can see the numbers. Stocks देखे हैं जो 10 रुपए से आज 10,000 हैं. 10 साल के अंदर 10 रुपए का स्टॉक था, आज 10,000 है. 10,000 है 10 साल के अंदर. इसी टारगेट पे मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मैं कमा सकूँ. और एक साल के अंदर मैंने 5 गुने रिटर्न्स कमाए हैं. ये मैम जो शेयर्स खरीदती हैं, सामान खरीदती हैं लाओ पहला का, उसमें कमाए हैं. 120 रुपये में इन्वेस्ट किया था, अभी 550, 5 टाइम्स. 1 लाख लगाए थे 5 लाख रुपये और अभी 3 दिन के अंदर हुए 1 लाख रुपये. 3 दिन पहले स्टॉक का रेट था 420, 4,20,000 रुपये लगा रखे थे. करेंटली इट इज 550. कितना प्रॉफिट हो गया? 1,30,000. ये है जब मैंने रिस्क लिया है. बिना रिस्क के भी आई कैन मेक मनी, बिना रिस्क के भी आई कैन मेक मनी. वो भी सिखाऊंगा मैं इवेंचुअली, अभी टाइम होगा. That is called hedging. If you want, you can read it out, and you can make a lot of money without taking any risk. Okay? So that's about it. Thank you guys. अब मॉक स्टॉक का गेम है, वो enjoy करो, खेलो, सीखो. मैंने भी मॉक स्टॉक से स्टार्ट करा था बचपन 17 years बचपन में है. And I made 50,000 rupees only by playing mock stocks. So this is the stepping stone for to the richest, going to the richest, to owning that Lamborghini. Okay? So let's get on with the mock stock now.